Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. My name is Vanessa Sainz Reino. My daily routine is as follows. Normally, every day, I head up 7 in the morning. I make my bed, brush my teeth, and prepare the breakfast. Sometimes, after eating, I talk to my sister. I, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth again. I always take a shower in the morning and then I sit um, although to student. Whether I come um, I come English, or the university work. Uh, Usually student there to 4 hours a day. Otherwise finish studying just for lunch. I add sometimes like 2 hours after 12 I head up from to table. I never walks. This lab my sister always do thing. I brooks my dad I money. Time after lunch I go to bed. Sometimes I sleep with the dinner or sometimes I head up early occasionally before I wake up for dinner. I talk to my friends occasionally before I wake up dinner. I talk to my friends on social networks. I rarely ever get up to have dinner alone. I always have dinner accompanied by my family. I rarely watch television. After dinner, I brush my teeth. I go to bed frequently, frequently before I going to sleep. Uh, I student I leave. I go to sleep. I 12 o'clock at night and have up um, again 7 in the morning. This is my routine every day. Thank you. Bye, teacher.